In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact eToro customer service. This process is straightforward and designed to get you the help you need efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you need to log into your eToro account. This step is crucial because it ensures that your query is associated with your specific account details. By logging in, you allow the support team to access the relevant information quickly. This step saves you time later by avoiding the need to provide extra details manually. So, enter your credentials carefully and make sure everything is correct. Once you are logged in, head over to the Help Center. You can usually find this in the main menu of your eToro account interface. The Help Center is the hub for all your customer service needs. It's a well-organized space designed to lead you to the right resources and support options. This is where you'll find the tools necessary to initiate contact with a support agent. Now, look for the option that says Start Chatting or Live Chat. This is the fastest way to get in touch with eToro customer service. Clicking this option will open a chat window where you can begin the conversation. Live chat is particularly useful because it allows for real-time communication. This means you can get answers to your questions without the delay of email or ticket responses. Next, choose your issue from the list of options provided. This step is important because it helps direct your query to the right department. Selecting the correct issue ensures that the support agent you are connected with has the right expertise to assist you. Take a moment to read through the available options carefully. Make sure you choose the one that best matches your problem. With your issue selected, you will now be connected to a support agent. This is your opportunity to explain your problem in detail. Be clear and precise about what you need help with. The more information you provide, the easier it will be for the agent to assist you. Remember, they are there to help, so don't hesitate to ask any questions you might have. Here's an expert tip. Always keep your account information secure. Never share your password or any sensitive details during the chat. This ensures your account remains safe while you receive the help you need. Feel free to ask the agent if you need clarification on any instructions they give. Finally, once your issue is resolved, remember to thank the support agent for their assistance. This not only shows appreciation but also ensures a positive interaction. A friendly exchange can make the experience more pleasant for both you and the support staff. With that ready, you now know how to contact eToro customer service through live chat. This method is efficient, direct, and helps you get the support you need as quickly as possible. Remember, using the Help Center efficiently can save you a lot of time and hassle. I hope this guide makes your experience with eToro smoother and more enjoyable. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, take care and happy trading.